MeghalayaPost.news.
Kum ka jingai sangubhay kinong shnong ka South Shillong constituency Haka Dap Ripo Snem Menteri ka Sarkar Jelang ubadayru UMLA constituency uba Sanbor Shullai ulapalat ya ka Skhim ka bakot palat Ripo klur tengka ban penturai ki kampen roy Haka Kishnong jong ka constituency ya ka Jingrakhe Dap Ripo Snem uba Sanbor ulapanlong State Convention Center Shillong Haka Jingdon lang ki pajba na po jong ka South Shillong constituency unong ilam kaliang persya ka KHDC uba TW Khan Presiden ka BJP Meghalaya Rikmanji Momin kinong ilam niambat kiway Haka ni Jingrakhe Dap Ripusan Snem uba Sanbor la pelai pajba ya ka Skhim ka balakon syakan Ripusan klur saupusan lak khanyo hajar arspa khalai tingka barlo ai ku bleker pang yo menteri rangba ka Jelang Konrad ki sangma ki sembut menteri rangba ka Jelang ba perstun tensong ba snyaw balang dhar ki balaya rap bat ajeng kershan na kabenta ki Skhim baper
projects comprises of new PWD link road motorable link road, aqueduct drainage system, where we have seen with your naked eyes what is going on both in municipal area and in the cantonment area. Then we have cultural center or the community hall, the Torbar Hall. Then this bituminous black topping of existing PWD roads. Then we have project in 3 playground, 2 within municipal area, that is the Manalaban Sports and Cultural Club playground at Manalaban. Then recently we have got also a sanction for another football ground, a standard ground at Kinjat Football, Riyadh Laban. Land provided by it's a community land recommended by the Dorbar Shlong, Laban. And very happy to inform you, in the entire cantonment area, after losing the garrison ground, when we are young, you remember we used to play there like Edward, my friend. We are born and brought up together, we play together, I have told you, we studied together in the same school. So since the Defense Authority, they have fully fenced the grazing ground, so it has become a restricted playground. Of course, when I tried my best when I have joined the BJP 2013, as a party, we went to meet Srimati Sitharaman Ji, the then defense minister. So she have passed order to send her the report. Then after sometimes, then we are informed. Then we went back to Delhi, and the GOC from Shillong, they have sent a report that the grazing ground has been, because it has been declared as a golf field for the army officers, including army officers' wife. Then there are many programs, structure are there, which the army officers' wife association, they are running various kind of vocational training programs. And the last is that the GOC few years ago, many years ago, they have sent recommendation to the central government, the Ministry of Defense, and this garrison ground has declared as an emergency landing ground. So that is the problem, that the land cannot be reverted back to the Laban Sports Club, to the civilians. Happy that through the help and support, last year we went as a party, BJP, under the presidency of Rikman Mominji. So we met the defense minister, and we have got the permission and we have got the land just adjacent to the electric crematorium at Jalupara. And there also we have got the work is going on. So there also this will be the first of its kind in the containment area. There is a football field will be there. Volleyball field will be there adjacent to the football ground, and also the volleyball and the basketball. So this will be the first ground within containment area to be utilized by both the defense and the civilian. So hopefully before Christmas the project will be completed and it will be handed over to the Shillong Cantonment Board and the village council of the cantonment area.
MeghalayaPost.news